So this side is like Ankara material and the other side is satin, so that it does not irritate my hairline or irritate my hair or pull and tug on my hair, and also so that it doesn't dehydrate my hair. And then after that I just put on my trusted bonnet and then go to sleep.
This is the voice of the general, them call Panther ranking alongside killer producer DJ Maporisa Kylie. To the girl we a sing say styly. Girl, I swear there's no other woman like.
Okay, so this was now the next day. I will be doing a makeup tutorial on this. I think I have one. I don't know. So yeah, at the top of the head there, you just want to make a tall bun or a dramatic bun, as big as wild as you want it. Listen, in Wakanda we don't do things conventionally, so honestly it is up to you how big you want that bun to be. I started out with 10 braids, and then I think I ended up adding either 3 or 5 more braids because I wasn't happy with how big and poofy that top bun was. So yeah, add as much as you want. Trust me, the bigger the better. The more dramatic, the more you can save years on getting your Wakanda citizenship, because I heard they don't play around there. Okay, like it's not like a time thing. You can't be like, I've lived in Wakanda for 5 years, therefore I'm applying for citizenship. That's not how it works. Like, you've got to slayage is the application fee, if you know what I mean. So because slayage is the application fee, I decided to also put on some hair accessories, just spice things up a bit. So I'll be putting some gold accessories on the 2 front braids there, and also on the sideburn twists. That's what I'm going to call them, because I honestly don't know what the name is. I'll just call them sideburn twists. If you, like me, want your sideburn twist to be super flat, then you can use these hair accessories to also just help with that security. So you can see on the right side there, that other side that I've put the accessory was now looking flatter than the left side. So if you want it to be flat on your face right there, you can just use the accessories and play around with them to make sure that happens. Also, don't forget that you can accessorize the bun as well, more than I did. I couldn't find my accessories for the bun, so I decided to just leave it like that. And then here is a shot of the outfit that I wore to the Wakanda filming. I will be putting up outfit details on my Instagram, but if you guys want a lookbook video, then just let me know. Yeah, I absolutely had an amazing time at the movie house, and that's not something I say very often. But yeah, that is the outfit. Let me know if you guys want an outfit video where I talk about my outfits or inspiration and what I'm loving, what I've been seeing out there. If you haven't watched Black Panther yet, just delete yourself, like, in life. Like, you know to delete. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to comment down below with your thoughts, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Bye. Oh yeah, and watch that video over there to the left, and subscribe by clicking on my face. That easy. Okay, bye.